this. Yes. Frequently asked questions. I get about 50 to 100 emails a day. So I'm gonna make this video answering some of the more frequently asked questions that I get on a day-to-day basis. Number one, can I work on X vehicle? My answer is always yes. Just because you don't see it on my website or on my Instagram doesn't mean that I can't build it. It just means that I haven't yet. I'm not gonna repost another builder's set of lights. That's stealing their content, and that doesn't feel right to try and make money off of their content. And headlights and taillights are essentially all the same thing. You know, you got plastic on the back, plastic or glass on the front, and it's either Permaseal, butyl, or plastic welded, and I've worked with all three. So yeah, I can build any set of lights that you want. Question two is an annoying one. People will literally just email me, how much? Question mark. I can see why they would ask that. Maybe they've only seen one post from me and they immediately shot me an email thinking that that's the only thing I do, that's the only thing I build, and that I do that over and over again. In reality, I'm not only building lights, I build other custom parts as well. So whenever you ask how much, I gotta email you back asking what it is you're looking for. Do you want lights? Do you want spoilers? Do you want the custom shift boot? When a customer emails me these vague questions, and I'm already taking a long time to reply back to them because, like I said, I am getting so many emails. I've already got several builds lined up to do. It takes me a long time to get to them, and if you're being vague in your emails, it's just gonna be that much longer before we can actually get to me giving you an actual accurate quote. And the third and final frequently most asked question is, I don't know. People email me not really knowing what all they want to do, or they want me to surprise them. I can't really surprise you with a build because the pricing ranges so much. Base price, $300, you're gonna get paintwork. Where we can go upwards of $3,000. It's a really good idea to have a build in mind before you email me, or while you're emailing me, just give me an idea of what you're looking for so I can give you a quote. I can't really surprise you because, like I said, you could be disappointed. And if you don't know what you want, the first question that I come back and I ask you is, do you want your headlights or taillights to be plug and play, or are you okay with having to install a custom made harness that has to be installed for the show mode to work? So what do I mean by that? Plug and play, pretty self-explanatory. You're going to take the headlight, literally put it on your vehicle, plug it in using the OEM harness, good to go. Now the extra harness, if you want to go this route, if you want to have show mode, you got to have a custom made harness with a custom module that controls the show mode and all the other functions in the light that you'll have to install in the vehicle. Step one is gotta have power at all times. This is specifically made for taillights, that's why there's so much wire right here. It is always fused with a waterproof fuse so that if anything goes wrong, we're safe. Goes into the control box. Control box goes out to the lights. You gotta install all of this just to control your lights and your show mode. Now, if that's not something that you want, I think plug and play is a great option. I personally run plug and play on my own vehicles. I take the headlights and taillights out all the time for testing. I don't need to mess with that giant harness anymore, and you can make plug and play look super clean. But if you don't know what you want and you would like to see pictures of work that I've done specifically, you can go to my Instagram page. It's got almost 600 posts of different builds that I've done, headlights, taillights, I've even done some fog lights, and I've even done third brake light. If you are looking for something specific to your vehicle, it might be a little more difficult. I haven't done a wide range of vehicles yet, but what you can do is you can go to Google, type in your vehicle, custom headlights or custom taillights, go through Google Images and send me a screenshot of those specific lights, and I can get you a quote for anything that you like. So if you want the fastest quote possible and you don't see what you want on my website, which is a strong possibility, I don't have a lot on my website, you can email me with the year, make, and model of your car, whether you want headlights, taillights, fog lights, underglow, third brake light, any of that. Email me pictures of exactly what you're looking for, or give me a solid description. For example, halos, strips, projector retrofit, HIDs, LEDs, color shifting, not color shifting, if you want switchbacks or show mode.